To all the stay-home moms, stay-home dads, we wake up, we are so used to either spending all day in our PJs or nightgowns or night clothes or nightshirt. And that we don't take the time to go out and get anything because we're busy. We're either at home working or at home taking care of other stuff, children, or we're just home. We don't have a job and we're home wives, home workers, or just home. We don't have to always stay in our PJs or nightclothes. Today we are going to wake up and do something different. Give ourselves a little bit more to do today so we don't feel down in the slump, depressed, or think we have no meaning or that's just it for us. So we are going to change that now. We're going to wake up and we're going to get some stuff done. We go to our t-shirt drawer because most of us at home, we love a t-shirt and jeans or t-shirt and sweatpants or t-shirts and leggings. So we're gonna go in here and find a t-shirt and we're going to put something on today. We're gonna get off of our PJs and night clothes and we are going to put something different on today. So this is the red shirt I pull. We can either have a wig or a headscarf, which I put here. And yes, it doesn't have to match my shirt or my pants or my bra or my underwear. I just want to get out the funk and show other people who are at home that they can. It doesn't take much to change your mood. For the other people who love to dress up, you can also go in your closet and find something pretty, something beautiful. If you want to just wear it all day at home and do that, you can pull something out like this. Something pretty. And if you want, you can put shoes. So this is the t-shirt and sweats, scarf or wig, however you choose to dress it up. Or you can put a dress. We are going to change it up today. Now it's time to get out of this. Now that we're dressed, we need to put some moisturizer on our face. We pick t-shirt and jeans today. Well, t-shirts and sweats for today. So I use my toner. It's a moisturized toner. So I take it, I rub it all over my hand and I put it all over my face. Now, while this is drying, I take my Olay eye cream and I put under my eyes. And then I take the excess and I put over on my lids and on my hooded eyes. Now that this is dry, I take my CeraVe with SPF 30 and I squeeze, pump some in my hand. And then I rub. Then I take some more and I put under my neck. Okay, now moisturizer is done. As busy people, busy stay-home moms, everybody, some days we don't have time to lotion our whole body, but I try to do my arms. I'm just doing what is normal because not every day I rub lotion on my legs. Because sometimes I put my hands on before lotioning and then I'm like, you know what? I'll just do my arms and the exposed sections that are showing. So I rub, my foot is on top of it. Let me show you what I do. I want this to be realistic. So the part of my foot that's showing and my leg, I lotion. So I lotion my foot in between my toes, do in between your toes. Okay, you don't want it to be dry and callousy. And then the section that is showing, I do that. And then my heels. That is reality in a nutshell. Now I wash my hands. And for hair, my hair is moisturized and everything. I just go like this. just to fluff it up. We are now leaving the bathroom. I'll come here, I'll look for perfume. I have lots of perfume sample. This one is Maison France Coujage Paris à la Rose Eau de Toilette. I take that and I spray. I'm not going anywhere, but I still want to smell good. This will change the mood. This will change your mood. So even though you're home and doing nothing, don't just stay in your PJs all day. It will make you down. So you want to do the little things. And then I find earrings. Whatever earrings I feel like putting, I put it on. I just want to still know that I matter. And even though I'm home, I still have a life. And that is what I do. We hurry up back to check on the kids, to see if the kids are okay, if we have kids at home, and sit at the desk so we can do our work. Home, we sit down here and we decide, maybe there is nothing more to our life than just be home and be a housewife or a mother with the kids. Or you have value. You have value. You take care of the kids, you take care of husbands, you take care of whatever it is that you're doing at home for yourself. Don't ever think you don't have value. You are first, you have value. And you are supposed to take care of you so you can take care of others. If you neglect yourself and take care of others, you'll always feel neglected. Because the person who's supposed to take care of self neglected self. So don't think other people are going to come and rescue, and when they don't, you get mad because you say, I did all of this for them, but they didn't do for me. What did you do for you? You first. Now, the second part to this is we are now finished with taking care of ourselves and we are ready to continue the rest of the day. And the day never ends. The day never ends. So let's move on. We have to make up beds because some other kids are small, so they can't make up their bed. So we have to make up the bed. And if you have a planner, this is my planner. I'll show you. When I wake up in the morning, first thing I do, I write something because it makes me feel good. For today, I write, I am thankful for walking. I am thankful for smiling. If you cannot afford a planner, get a notebook. This is this year's planner. This is last year's planner. See? I do the same thing. Last year, I wrote, I am thankful for honesty. This is the things that keep me going as a housewife. I'm a housewife and this one. If you want, I just bought these. I came across this a couple of days ago and I bought this. It's the affirmation deck of 64 cards. This is today's card. I am safe and secure in my world. And on the back, also have something you can read. Most of the time I read the front, but you can read both. Then I have a book. If I feel like reading today, then I will set a little time and do that. My lipstick is always close by because I still like to look pretty. And then I have a little extra earring. Then in case I forget to put an earring because I'm busy doing other stuff, I'll pull this one. Get some of these little pods. Put an audiobook on or put music on and just listen to that while you go about the house and do your stuff. And when you don't want to do that, just stay quiet, or you can just stay in a quiet house. Like now, I'll put everything off and it's quiet. Either I'm here in the laundry going or the fridge, but it's quiet, or the fan. And then on top of that, I light a candle. Or I light some incense in here. And I put this light on. It's a salt lamp. These little things, even though you're busy and going around and doing stuff and washing dirty dishes or preparing a salad to make supper or lunch, that keeps you a little less angry or mad or making you or giving you thoughts that you think you're not enough I'm not enough. Maybe that's why I'm a housewife or I work from home, or all these negative thoughts that are going on. That will help you. I hope I helped you. And for the person who doesn't wear makeup, you can be just like this at home with a little lip gloss or a little Vaseline, and I'll show you. You don't wear makeup, you can put a little Vaseline on your lips. And you do your brows. And you do your brows like this, just so you can still feel that you have worth, because you don't want to be down on yourself while you're at home. Thank you for watching. If you have made it this far, I appreciate it very much. I'll see you